Digestive juices. There are 5 digestive juices. The first one is called saliva. The composition of saliva. Saliva contains salivary amylase, and this amylase is alpha amylase, and alpha amylase breaks the glycosidic bond. This is the composition of saliva. The next one is called as gastric juice. Gastric juice contains pepsinogen, which is the inactive form of pepsin. It contains prorenin, which is the inactive form of renin. And these pepsinogen and prorenin, these both are proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes means that they digest proteins, they break the proteins into amino acids. Gastric juice also contains HCl, hydrochloric acid. It contains mild gastric lipase. Lipase means it digests fats, it breaks down fats into fatty acids. The next one is called as bile juice. Bile juice contains bile salts. It contains bile salts. It also contains some bile pigments. Bile pigments like bilirubin, biliverdin, etc. And bile salts, they help in the emulsification of fats. Emulsification means breaking down of fats into little micelles. The next one is called pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice is poured into the duct called duct of Wirsum or pancreatic duct, and it is directly poured into the duodenum by the duct of Santorini. Pancreatic juice contains many things. For example, trypsinogen. It contains trypsinogen. It contains chymotrypsinogen. It also contains carboxypeptidase. And these three, trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, carboxypeptidase, these three are proteolytic enzymes or exopeptides. It also contains a very important enzyme called pancreatic amylase. If you hear the word amylase, means it digests only carbohydrates in starch and like some carbohydrates. And lipase, if you hear this word, it means that it digests fats, and nucleases means it digests nucleic acid, and like pepsinogen, prorenin, trypsinogen, these all digests proteins. It contains pancreatic amylase. It also contains pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase digests fats. Pancreatic lipase is also called as steepsin. Pancreatic juice also contains some nucleases, and nucleases digest the nucleic acids. The next digestive juice is called as intestinal juice. The fifth one is intestinal juice. Intestinal juice is the secretion of the Brunner's glands and the crypts of Lieberkühn. So Brunner's glands, these are the glands which are present in the mucosa of the duodenum, and the crypts of Lieberkühn, these are the glands which are present all over the small intestine. So the secretion of Brunner's glands and crypts of Lieberkühn is collectively called intestinal juice. Intestinal juice, the another name is succus entericus, and intestinal juice contains enterokinase. Entero means intestine. Enterokinase helps in the conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. It also contains some disaccharides like maltose, sucrose, lactose, etc. And it contains one more thing called limit dextrins. And it also contains intestinal lipase. So it contains intestinal lipase, and it also contains some nucleotidases and nucleosidases. Nucleotidases and nucleosidases. These are the enzymes which digest nucleic acids, the nucleotides and the nucleosides. First, saliva. Saliva contains salivary amylase, alpha amylase, and it breaks glycosidic bond. Though saliva contains lysozyme, but it doesn't help in digestion. It is an antibacterial agent or bactericidal agent. Gastric juice. It contains pepsinogen, prorenin. So pepsinogen is the inactive form of pepsin, prorenin is the inactive form of renin, and these both of them are proteolytic enzymes and they digest proteins. HCl, mild gastric lipase. HCl is this one, it activates the enzymes, and mild gastric lipase means it digests fats. Next is bile juice. This contains bile salts and bile pigments. And one more thing is bile juice doesn't contain any enzymes. It doesn't contain any enzymes. It only contains bile salts and bile pigments or bilirubin and biliverdin. The next one is pancreatic juice. It also contains many things: trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, carboxypeptidase, and these three are exopeptides. That means they are proteolytic enzymes. Pancreatic amylase. It also contains pancreatic lipase. Amylase means it digests the carbohydrates and starch. Lipase means it digests the fats. Nucleases. These nucleases, they digest the nucleic acids. Next is intestinal juice. This is the juice of Brunner's glands and crypts of Lieberkühn. It's also called as succus entericus. It contains enterokinase, maltose, sucrose, and many disaccharides. It also contains nucleotidases and nucleosidases and limit dextrins and lipases or intestinal lipases.